students, let us start our discussion about the magnetic effects of electric current. So, as we know that in our previous lectures that electric current can produce heating effect, and there are some more effects generated by the electric current, that is magnetism. So, let us discuss the magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so let us perform some activity at here. Suppose that if we have a current carrying conductor X, Y, and if we place this wire just piercing on any cardboard and normal to the cardboard like this, okay, so this is a normal cardboard whose plane is normal to the current carrying conductor. Then if we connect this current carrying conductor through a resistor and an ammeter via with a battery, a potential V, and this is connected through a plug key also, then what will happen when we switch on the key? Then what will happen? There is a current flowing through the conductor, but how can we? So there is a magnetic field around the current carrying conductor. So demonstrating the magnetic effect of a current carrying conductor or electric current, we should place a particular magnetic needle just beside the wire. Okay, so let us place a particular magnetic needle just beside the current carrying conductor on the cardboard. Okay, so this is a particular magnetic needle which is placed on the cardboard, and suppose that this magnetic needle is placed like this, and the direction of the north and south is indicated like this. This direction is north and this one is the south, which is this is north and this one is the south. Here is east and here is west. So what will happen when there is a current flowing through the conductor? It means when switch on the plug key, then what will happen? As we switch on the key, then there is a current flowing through the conductor. It means current flowing from X to Y. So as there is a current flowing through the conductor, then there is a deflection occurs in the magnetic needle. This is very simple phenomena. You can easily perform this activity. Now the deflection in the magnetic needle is disappear when the plug key is off. If plug becomes disconnected through the battery, then the deflection in the magnetic needle will disappear. But when we again connect the plug key, then we find out that there is a deflection in the magnetic needle. It means when there is a current flowing through the conductor, then there is a deflection in a magnetic field which is placed just nearby the current carrying conductor. Now, if we move this magnetic needle just around the current carrying conductor, then we find out that when there is a current flowing through the conductor, then the direction of the deflection in the magnetic needle changes continuously. It means if the current that is flowing from X to Y direction, if we place the magnetic needle like this, suppose that this one is the wire and here is a magnetic needle in which the deflection is lying from this direction to this direction, and when this magnetic needle is placed at this position, then the deflection appears in the magnetic needle lies in this direction. And when the magnetic needle placed just back side of this wire at here, then the deflection is along this. It means when we when we move this magnetic needle around this current carrying conductor, then we will always find out that the deflection changes its direction. It means we can easily observe that the magnetic field due to this current carrying conductor is forms a particular circular loop. Okay, this can also demonstrated by some another activity, but at here one can easily guess that when there is a current flowing through any conductor, then there is a magnetic field around the conductor. Now if we talk about who observed this phenomena in first time, then we can talk about the scientist whose name is Hans Christian Ørsted. Hans Christian Ørsted. Now this is 2020, and if you talk about 1820, it means just before 200 years ago. 200 years ago. It means in 1820 AD. Hans Christian Ørsted, when demonstrating his lecture by performing some experiment, then accidentally he observed that when there is a current flowing through any conductor, then there is a deflection in the magnetic needle which is placed just near to the current carrying conductor. And he astonished by observing this phenomena. So he performed so many experiments by assuring that this is true or not and why this happened. Then by performing so many series of experiments, he observed that and he concluded that there is a magnetic field around the current carrying conductor. When there is a current flowing through any conductor, then there is a magnetic field around the current conductor. So there is a question arises that what will be the direction of the magnetic field and what will be the shape of the magnetic field. So for getting the answer of this question, he performed some another experiment like this. He took some pieces of iron, it means iron fillings, and when they sprinkled that iron fillings around that current carrying conductor on this cardboard, then he found that the iron fillings forms some circular rings and some are dismatched to their initial position. So he tapped on the cardboard gently, okay, and he found that all the magnetic all the iron fillings will adjust their position like this and they form a particular concentric circles. Okay, so by performing this activity, he concluded that the direction of the magnetic field is always form the circular loop. It means the shape of the magnetic field is circular. It means the initial and final position. Circular means closed loop. Because in this case, this is circular. But when there is two different wire and both are current carrying wire, then both are presenting the magnetic field. So the magnetic field around one wire cannot be formed in perfect circular loop. So we can say that in this case, when there is a single wire and there is no any other magnetic material, then there is the direction of the magnetic field forms circular closed loop. Okay, closed loop means the initial point from where the magnetic field starts, the final point where the magnetic field ends, both are same. Okay, so this is simple experiment. Now he also performed some another experiment with the help of bar magnet, and he draws some magnetic field lines around bar magnet. He placed bar magnet on a cardboard which is initially placed in such direction in which the north and south direction indicates by the magnetic needle in absence of magnetic bar magnet. So in that direction he pointed by the pencil, and after marking that he placed the bar magnet in north south direction, and by placing a small magnetic needle around the bar magnet and pointing or placing the pencil head at different positions, he plotted the graph of the magnetic field around the bar magnet. Okay, he found that the direction of the magnetic field is like this. Okay, so he concluded that the magnetic field forms closed loop. It means they never ends, they never starts. At the point they starts, at that point they ends. It means they forms closed loop. Okay, so this is a particular experiment performed by Hans Christian Ørsted, and some more popular experimental scientists, Faraday, Henry, Biot-Savart, and Maxwell, Ampere, and so many other scientists also perform experiment on the based on magnetic effect of electric current, and also they gave popular laws for the electromagnetism. And with the help of this experiment, it is concluded that electricity can produces the magnetic field. It means when there is a change in magnetic field, electric fields can produce. It means electric current flowing through any conductor, then there is a magnetic field produced around the current carrying conductor. Okay, so many other scientists thinks that what its converse is true or not. It means when there is a change in magnetic flux, then there is a electric current or induced EMF will produce or not. So Faraday and Joseph Henry in America, USA, and Michael Faraday in England, both scientists will perform so many experiments, and finally he observed that he provided us the knowledge about when there is a change in magnetic field, then there is a electric field produced due to the changing magnetic field. It means there is a induced EMF produced due to the changing in magnetic field. And they explain this concept with the help of the magnetic flux. Okay, so we will discuss that in later section. Now let us perform some activity by which we want to know what will be the direction of the deflection in the magnetic needle when there is a current flowing through any conductor from one direction to another direction. Okay, so let us start our activity. Suppose that if we take a particular cardboard and place that cardboard in the horizontal level, for simplicity, if we assume that this is horizontal level, okay, so we place our cardboard at here. Now take a particular white paper, place that white paper on this cardboard. Okay, now put a particular magnetic needle just middle of this white paper and indicates the direction representing by the magnetic needle in initial. So if the initially magnetic needle indicates like in this direction, suppose that, then this direction can be assumed as north and this one is assumed as south. Okay, so pointing out with the help of the pencil at here. Now put a particular thick copper wire just above on this magnetic needle. Okay, so magnetic needle is at below side and just above there is a copper thick wire, and this wire is connected through a resistor and an ammeter to a battery with the help of a plug key. Now plug key is switch off condition. Plug key is in switch off condition. Now what will happen if this conductor is assumed as XY? Then what will we observe? We will observe when the plug key is in on condition. As we switch on the plug key, then there is a current flowing through the conductor from x to y direction, because there is a plus and there is a minus. So current flowing through the conductor is from x to y direction. And as there is a current flowing through x to y direction, we will observe that there is a deflection occurs in the magnetic needle, and magnetic needle gets deflected such that its north pole moves in clockwise direction. It means it moves towards east direction. Okay, so east direction are just perpendicular to the current carrying conductor. It moves itself, means the magnetic needle moves like this. The line of the magnetic needle becomes just normal to the direction of the current carrying conductor. Okay, so if we increases the amount of current, then the alignment in the magnetic needle is increases, and finally it reached at just as perpendicular to the current carrying conductor. Okay, so we have found that when there is a current flowing through the conductor from x to y direction, then the north pole moves towards east. The north pole of the magnetic needle moves towards the east direction. Okay, now simply if we reverse the polarity of the battery which is connected through the current carrying conductor, so suppose that this becomes as negative and this becomes as positive. This becomes as positive. So what will happen? At this time, the current direction of the current flowing through the conductor becomes from y to x. So in this case, we will observe that which the magnetic needle is lying in north-south direction initially at this position, it will move to in anti-clockwise direction like this. It means the north pole moves towards anti-clockwise direction and reached at this position. If we increases the current flowing through the conductor continuously, then magnetic needle moves and becomes its position just at normal to the direction of the current carrying conductor. It means finally it will moves and set its position like this, just normal to the direction of the magnetic needle is in this direction, and the direction of current carrying conductor is in this. Okay, so this is a particular activity. With the help of this, you can easily explain what will happen when we change the polarity of the current. What will happen when we change the polarity of the conductor? It means when current is flowing from x to y, then the deflection in the magnetic needle is occur in this direction, it means clockwise, and when there is a current flowing through the conductor is from y to x, then the deflection in the magnetic needle occurs in anti-clockwise direction. So how can we explain this? To understand this concept in better way and direction of the deflection in magnetic needle, we will perform some another activity in our next lecture. Okay, till now, take care. Thank you.